Are you seeing it? So the oil is ready. So I will turn off my gas now. So I'll leave it to cook before sieving. All right. I need to filter it now. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the greenish? It's very green. This is how you will make your homemade avocado oil. So me, I don't normally buy oils. So I do them myself. The next video that you guys are going to be expecting here is a carrot oil. So you can use it on your skin and also for hair too. Ignore the background because my children are home. Seeing the oil, the way it's coming out. That's enough. I'm going to be throwing this chaff away. We don't need this. This is it. I want to sieve it again. Are you seeing our avocado oil? So it's ready. It's ready. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it well. Vitamin E or vitamin E oil. It's for body and hair. Just a bit. Mix everything together. Are you seeing our oil? So you don't need to buy everything. You know, when you want to go for hair growth journey, know that yeah, you can be making some of the oil. In short, the hair growth oil yourself. So what I am advising you to be buying is living in condition, you know. Are you seeing our hair growth oil? Avocado oil. So our avocado oil is ready. Thank you all for watching. This is what I got for one avocado. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section below, and please also help me to share this video. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is it.